In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. I'm only going to show you how to replace one because the procedure is the same for the other side, and also both of the wiper blades are exactly the same, 24-inch blades on both sides. Lift up the wiper arm in the upright position. In my case, I have this cap that needs to be pulled off, and then the wiper blade comes down. Sometimes you might have a little tab to pry on here. That's what's going to release it. Pull it down. At this point, do not let go of the wiper arm. If it goes down and smacks the windshield, it will break it. Take your new wiper blade, hook it onto the wiper arm. Make sure that clicks and locks into place. On each end, there will be a little cap that you have to take off. Don't forget to do this, otherwise it'll scratch the windshield and will not wipe properly. Gently place it down on the windshield and do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.